So talk about sweeten the pot. Look who's back on the set. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles has our sweet ending today at Home Sweet Home. You've been home doing a lot of cooking.
Yes, I've been very busy. Very busy.
What are you doing for us today, Chef?
So, today we're going to use the Regal icing sugar and make a lemon cream cheesecake bar.
Oh, a lemon cheesecake bar.
Yes, right? And first we're going to make it in our food processor. We're going to make the base in our food processor. Now, if you don't have a food processor at home, you can still do it. You just have to use your fingers to rub the butter in. And do it rather quickly because you don't want the butter to melt, because the butter have to be very cold, as you can see. And we cubed it. Right. So put that in there with the butter.
But this is not a traditional cheesecake. Or you made it?
No,
it's like a shortcut.
It's a shortcut. Because again, remember, we have lemon juice in it and we have milk in it. All right. Put the icing sugar. So our sweetener is the icing sugar. Well, I point it in because I can gauge, right? But the measurement will be there.
Yes, so the measurement will be there. Please check our YouTube channel and you'll get this recipe from Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles.
So what you want to do is you just want to pulse it because you want it crumbly.
Right.
You don't want it soft like a paste. Right? And we have it crumbly there, and then we add oats into it. So we could get away with it and say it's a little healthy.
It's a healthy
snack.
Lemon cheesecakey snacky thing.
Yes. Right? There we go. And let me show you. This is what we're looking for. Right? So it's nice and crumbly. What I did in advance, I had one that I already pressed out.
So that's in there?
That's it there.
You press that out in...
I pressed that out in here.
Right.
Now, you will notice I have these paper at the side. Reason being is when it's finished baking, it's very easy to pull out. Right? When it's finished. So now we're going to make the filling for it. So we have cream cheese, sugar, and you can use a mixer, but because the cream cheese is very soft, I'm just going to mix it. So you see, you mix it until it's thoroughly combined. Then we put our egg in there, and lime juice,
lemon juice,
right, and then our milk.
That's
it. Easy enough. And if you want to get the kids involved, you can get the kids involved because some of them like to put their hands in whatever mommy is making, right? So you see, that's our mix, nice and smooth. And then we take our pre-baked shell.
And that's the consistency you want.
That's the
liquid.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Because remember, you have the lemon juice in it, you have the milk in it. That's liquid. That's added to it. All right. You pour it in. Now the next thing is we're going to take some of our crumble and sprinkle it to the top. That's how we get this nice crust on top. Now you'll want to bake this until the top looks a nice golden brown and it feels set.
So it's a layer on top and a layer below?
It's a layer on top and a layer below.
And the layer below you bake in the oven?
You pre-bake for about 10 minutes in the oven, right? Before you put your filling. Sit, and we're just going to pat it down a little bit because we want to make sure that it sits into the liquid and not when the liquid starts to bake and puff up and we take it out, all our crumbs fall out, right? So we just want to pat it down a little bit, right? And we have our oven here already preheated. At least Joel did this to me.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Some wood today.
Some wood, right? And that's it. Now, put it back, Joel. Put it back. I'm not finished.
This one is mine. This one is mine.
Let's move some of this here. Right? So we're going to take...
Just that one was watching me now.
It was winking.
We made eye contact. Winking
at you like that anyway. Alright, so we're going to dust it a little bit with some of the icing sugar. There you go.
Put that Regal touch. Now. That makes a big difference, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. It's called...
Just now, wait, you're social, but I think I want this. I find you only want to have all the fun. So we could social.
Cheers. Lemon
cheesecake bars.
Hey, there you go. Guys, do check this recipe out on our YouTube channel, Couple Joe Caribbean. Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Regal Products.